Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. So my topic is fairy garden ideas. Today I'll give you some beautiful and amazing fairy garden ideas. Creating a fairy garden can be a delightful and whimsical project. Here are some fairy ideas to spark your imaginations. Miniature village. Design a tiny village complete with houses, pathway, and accessories. Use small pebbles for path and twig for fence. Add miniature furnitures and tiny garden tools to enhance the village. Miracle pond. Create a fairy garden with a miniature pond as the centerpiece. Use a shallow container and fill it with water. Place miniature water plants, floating lilies pads, and small rocks around the pond. You can also add a tiny bridge or a fairy-sized boat. Enhanced forest. Transform a small area into an enhancing woodland scene. Use moss, small fern, and miniature trees to create a lush forest. Add tiny wooden land creatures like rabbits to enhance the magical atmosphere. Fairy tea party. Set up a whimsical fairy tea party scenes with miniature tables, chairs, and teacups. Use colorful flowers at the backdrop and create a tiny picnic area with miniature treats. Fairy tree houses. Find a hollowed out tree stump or create a tree house structure using twig and branches. Decorate it with the miniature furniture, hanging lanterns, or tiny accessories. Surround the tree with miniature plants and flowers. Flower pot garden. If you have limited space, use a large flower pot or container as the base for your fairy garden. Plant miniature flowers and add small decorative items and create different levels using rocks or small terracotta pots. Fairy beach scenes. Create a miniature beach complete with sand, shells, and a small water feature. Add tiny beach chairs or umbrellas and a mini surf